I just gonna wear Winn-Dixie right now in a hurricane.
Where are your shoes?
Well, I didn't bring any shoes because we just came from the beach, so I didn't really bring any shoes. We already got 3 bags of candy. Now we're looking for some.
Oh my gosh, look. All the meat is gone.
Oh my god.
Everything is gone in Winn-Dixie.
Everything is gone.
Except for a robot. There's a robot. There's a robot. Oh, where's he going? Go get queso. This way. Buy the chips. Oh wait, the chips I think are this way. Look at you. Go. There's queso. Do you want that brand? No, you don't like that one.
No.
Tostitos. Look. Mild. Oh, that's medium. Let's see if there's another one.
I'm sorry about the cough, guys.
This one.
Okay. Smooth and cheesy.
Oh. Oh my! Everyone wants queso.
Wait. Let's do some cheese really quick. Do you want this? Or do we want sour cream?
Hurry and pick. There's a hurricane outside. We don't have time to shop. We're running out of time. And you ain't got no shoes on.
It's a Pringles.
Okay, I'll follow you. We checking out?
Yes, we are going to go check out now.
Oh, school supplies.
Look at this glue. It's gel glue. Could I get it to make slime, please?
No, no slime.
Please.
We have to survive the hurricane. Come on.
No, we don't. No, we don't.
Okay, let's go.
Survive it. Just die. Wait. Hi. I'm dying. I'm dying.